Can't decide between a latte or financial freedom? Ever scrolled through Instagram and felt a pang of envy at someone's luxurious vacation pics? Or maybe you're tired of those late-night budgeting battles with that pesky avocado toast habit. We've all been there. But what if I told you there was an app that could help you manage your money and maybe even, dare I say, invest for that dream getaway? That's where Mogo comes in. Now, Mogo offers a lot of features, building credit, getting personal loans, but today, we're diving deep into one specific question: can you transfer money from Mogo to your bank account? The answer? It depends. See, Mogo actually has two main branches, Mogo Money and Mogo Trade. Mogo Money is kind of like a financial all-in-one, offering things like prepaid cards and access to emergency funds. Mogo Trade, on the other hand, lets you invest in the stock market and build your wealth over time. So, if you've got your eye on that cash sitting in your Mogo Money account, can you just zap it straight to your bank for a shopping spree? Unfortunately, no. Mogo Money isn't designed for direct bank transfers. Think of it as a budgeting tool to help you manage everyday expenses. But fear not, there's a silver lining. While you can't do a traditional transfer, you can still access those funds in a couple of ways. The first option is the Interac e-transfer. This lets you send money electronically to pretty much anyone with a Canadian bank account. Think of it as a digital cash gift, perfect for splitting a restaurant bill with friends or sending rent money to your roommate. Here's the catch: Interac e-transfers come with a small fee, so keep that in mind before you hit send. The second option is to use the Mogo Visa Platinum prepaid card. This acts just like a regular debit card, so you can use it for online purchases or swipe it at stores. Now, if you've been bitten by the investing bug and are using Mogo Trade, things are a bit different. Mogo Trade is all about growing your long-term wealth, so they do allow you to transfer funds back to your bank account. Here's the key though: you need to make sure your investment trades have settled first. This can take up to 2 business days, so be patient, grasshopper. Once the trade settles, transferring money out is a breeze. Just log into your Mogo Trade app, head over to the transfers section, and choose Withdraw to your bank. Mogo will double-check to make sure you've got the right account linked, and then boom, your funds are on their way. But here's the thing. Before you go wild with a Mogo Trade money transfer, remember, investing comes with inherent risks. The stock market can be volatile, and there's always a chance you could lose money. So, make sure you do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and only invest what you can afford to lose. So, can you transfer money from Mogo to your bank account? The answer depends on which Mogo product you're using. Mogo Money doesn't allow direct transfers, but you can access funds with Interac e-transfer or the prepaid card. Mogo Trade lets you transfer money back to your bank, but you need to wait for trades to settle first. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.